Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the clock safe. Remove the battery or unplug it so the movement stops and you don't lose position. Once done, hold the center cap and carefully pull the hour minute, then second hand straight out. This protects the cannon pinion. Make sure to support the dial while you remove the bezel or rear screws. Unscrew steadily to release the face without bending it, because misalignment here causes timing errors. You now focus on freeing the mechanism. Photograph hand positions and gearing so reassembly is exact. Next, disconnect any wiring to the chime or electrical connectors. Label wires if needed so you don't mix them up. Then, with one hand supporting the dial from front and the other at the movement, lift the movement straight out. Do not twist the shaft because bending will damage the arbor and bearings. Once clear, set the movement. You finish by removing any remaining mounting hardware and clip retentions. Use the correct screwdriver to avoid stripping. Once the movement is free, inspect the shaft, bushings, and gears so you know if repair or replacement is needed. If the movement is stubborn, apply a tiny amount of penetrating oil to pivot points and tap the case lightly. Wait a minute and try again. If parts still bind, stop and consult a clockmaker to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.